you have been plagued with issues of just not being able to get free of things. If you look right over there at that peak on that hill, that's where where Jesus cast the demons out of Legion, and they ran off that precipice over there. So there's deliverance on the lake. There's deliverance right here. Some of you, God is interrupting negative patterns of habitual things that you haven't been able to get free of, because this is a supernatural place. This is where so many supernatural things happen. And right over there, one of the most marvelous deliverances in Scripture took place. That there's freedom here, there's peace here, there's deliverance here, there's all kinds of things. You can see over here where Jesus spoke to the multitudes, and he didn't even need a microphone. Thousands were touched at the sound of his voice, and I declare that the sound of many waters are on this water, and that God, even right now, whether you realize it or not, he's doing something very supernatural in you. That there's something that even by being in this place, that God is transitioning in you. And once you get off this boat, you're going to begin to realize that something very unusual and something supernatural that only God himself could do is happening to you in the midst of this place.
This is the lake. This is the place where Jesus walked over there in the bay ahead of us on the left. That was the bay where he walked on the water. Tabka, that we saw yesterday. That's the region where he fed the 5,000 men beside women and children, where he walked the water, where he sees the sea. He stopped the storm. Ahead of us, 12 o'clock, exactly 12 o'clock of the boat, straight ahead on the hill, that's the Sermon on the Mount, the Mount of Beatitude. The city on the hill cannot be hidden. That's the city on the hill cannot be hidden. The city of Zephat, and the center of the Kabbalah, the Bible, code, mysticism, the nicest and the largest artist colony in Israel. It's about 3,000 feet above sea level. You can see the beauty and the Golan Heights on the right side. So we are between the Golan Heights on the right and the Gallilee mountain that start from here all the way to the Mediterranean Sea. This is his ministry. We cannot walk on the water, so we will sail on the water. And standing here in the middle of the lake, the dimension of that, it's a fresh water from the Jordan River. The Jordan River starts all the way from the north, from Caesarea Philippi. We are coming, it's about close to 50 miles, 48 miles from here to the north, where is Mount Hermon, and the water flows over there. Capernaum, it's the city on the right side, on the seashore, and the Jordan River comes to the Sea of Galilee and flows out at the Yardenit and goes all the way down to the Dead Sea. It's 150 feet deep, the deepest point of it. 8 miles wide from Kibbutz Genosar to the other side to the Golan Heights is about 8 miles, and 13 miles long in a shape like a